had a Kai, Jamie, come to one of our classes and recently, and he has been really pursuing fermenting salami in his wine cooler, just a little tiny wine cooler, and with great success. And he's tried lots of cool things, and he gave me a great tip that seems like an essential component to making salami in the Pacific Northwest as opposed to the Mediterranean, which is doing a lot of the fermentation under refrigeration, which is brilliant. So what I described, we did the fermentation in the casing in a warm environment. And then we're still relying on a lot more of that fermentation to continue over the prolonged hanging period. But if you do it all in the refrigerator, it takes much longer, but it's controlled. And so what you would do is, and I haven't had a chance to really try this yet, is grind all of the meat, season it, and again, with 3% by weight, 2 to 3% by weight, and some glugs of wine, garlic and fennel, what have you. Mix it thoroughly, exactly how you would, and then you just put it in your fridge.
Yeah.
And you want to put, something on top of it, like cling film or something. And
so uncased.
Uncased, bulk.
You are just fermenting it in a big pile of mush.
Yeah,
I mean,
and
to be honest,
it will ferment.
Yeah.
It'll just take a lot longer because it's cool. Your refrigerator is 35 to 41 degrees. Maybe not, I think more industrial fridges are 38 to 41 or something. And it'll take like a month. Give it like 30 days in there. And he's had a lot of success with this method, and he brought us salami, and it was just crazy delicious. So good. It had that unique flavor, not just the tangification of starter cultures, but actual unique, complex, multi-layered flavor.
Yeah.
And so that would be the next thing to try. And then after that 30-day period, the salami has done its essential acidifying ferment. Then you stuff it in the casings and you hang it to dry. And you still kind of need the good humidity, but it should take a little less time. The drying shouldn't take as long.
Yeah.
Because
so we'll try that next.
Yeah, I think that would be the thing to try. And then, there's also so many other, semi-cooked sausages, semi-cured, semi-cooked from Northern Europe, German and Polish sausage recipes.
Yeah.
That utilize that, and seeing as how we be in the north, that would probably be a good way to go.